In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a record in Adalo. First, log into your Adalo account. To edit a record, click on the database icon on the left-hand side of the screen. You will see all your databases listed along with the number of records in each. Click on the database containing the record you want to edit. Once inside, you will see several properties that can be changed. To edit a record, click on the Records option. You can also click on the three dots next to a record and select View or Edit Records. Once you open a record, all its fields will be visible, and you can modify them one by one. After making the desired changes, click Save, and the record will be updated successfully. For example, if clicking a record does not open the editing page, it may mean that your account does not have the necessary permissions. The account owner can grant these permissions from the Permissions icon. Once your edits are complete, click Done to finalize the changes. Editing a record allows you to update information quickly and maintain your database accurately. You can repeat this process for any record in your database, ensuring that all data stays current and relevant for your app. And this is how you can navigate between different screens in Glide.